Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to put together a balloon bouquet. This is so easy, and if you ever have any question, feel free to go ahead and type that in the comment section, or you could check out some of my other videos which are longer with more details. So here I have all my balloons, they're all pre-blown up. I'm not going to show you guys how I do that. If you're interested in seeing how to do that, I'm going to be linking a video right above here so you guys could check those out. So what I did, I have my foam board here, it's from the Dollar Tree, and I have some wooden dowels, they're from Walmart. Okay, and I used some Scotch tape. Make sure you're using heavy duty tape, as you guys can see, to tape those down. You see, I'm showing you guys how I set those wooden dowels. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding a beer to it. So I put the wooden dowels on the back of the foam board, and then I'm going to put the beer right where I show you guys how I set that beer down. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to poke 2 holes, and we're going to be using some curly ribbons to get the beer on the poster board. So here we are, poking 2 holes, and then I'm going to tie that to it. See how I tied around the beer and you can't tell? It's not going anywhere, but you also can't tell because that ribbon went right into the fur of the bear because I pull it tight enough. Now you see how I'm pulling this up and nothing is falling off, nothing is dipping, bending. I really like these poster boards versus just the heavy duty poster boards versus our foam boards versus the regular poster boards. So here I am, I set up my balloons how I want it to be, and please don't come for me because I already know Valentine's is over, okay? I mean, but I did not get to post this video on Valentine's Day, so here I am, I'm posting it now. So don't come for me. We're showing you how to make a balloon bouquet. You don't have to use Valentine's balloon. So here I am, I'm using my heavy duty waterproof craft paper, and I'm going to fold those. I'm going to be showing you guys how I fold this. And here's it. I'm just trying to make a short, quick video for you guys. Since the other ones are longer, I'm using one hand to hold the phone and one hand to fold. I don't know why I didn't use the tripod. Here's why I didn't use the tripod. The girl was busy and I wasn't in the mood to make a video, but I said, you know what? People was coming at me for seeing how I fold my paper. So here, let me make this video. Maybe I should just make a different video for how, in general, how to fold your paper for your balloon bouquet. Type me a comment in the comment section and let me know if that's something you guys are interested in, okay? All right, so here we fold our paper, like make a triangle first. And then as you guys see how I fold that? Uneven, like a triangle. Then I'm gonna pull that other end. Please do not come and say my hands need lotion. I'm working with balloons here and I don't want any lotion on my hand because then my fingerprint leaves on them. And these things, I'm not making them just for video, honey. I'm selling them. These are people's stuff that I'm making, okay? So we don't want it to look all raggedy and crooked, so it's okay. I'm not selling my hands, I'm selling the balloon bouquet. So I'm not going to put any lotion on that because of that. Enough of my hand. You see what the paper looks like? So now that I got it folded, if you want, you could tighten up the bottom more where it looks like a triangle. But I'm going to be spreading out mine more, so I'm going to be stapling it right where you see I put that stapler, okay? But again, like I say, you could tighten it up more. These papers are heavy duty, they're big, and I want it to spread more. So the more you want it to spread is the more you're going to like not get that triangle folding at the end. So what I did, look at me. See how right there, perfect. If I'd fold it tighter, then it wouldn't fit that big gap. So there it is. So now I push that in and I'm doing just the 4 corners first. If you guys seen that, I'm going to fill it in with the same thing. Nothing new, nothing different. The same thing with those red and gold to fill that in to make it looks, give it a different pop and make it look nice. As I go along, I did personalize that balloon. All I did was use some regular permanent vinyl, run it through my Cricut design space, cut it out, and put homegirl name on it, whoever their names are. You see what I'm saying? So then I went ahead, I put the red and the gold to make it pop, and then I went ahead and I kind of like put 2 little gold regular latex balloons to give it a little pop. So then I also went ahead and got my chocolate tied into where it's in the middle of the beer. If you want, somebody's gonna tell me, I know I could probably blue dots the beer, hands to the chocolate, but let me tell you, the less you can do to these things, the better it is because, okay, you know, let me tell you, the wind on this day too was crazy on Valentine's Day when I delivered this thing. Crazy wind, okay? So then I went ahead and I pushed some little chocolate in the beer, in the head of the beer. Then I used some regular tissue paper to stuff in between, like it's a different shade of pink to give it a little pop, okay? And that's just it. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Again, if you guys are interested in seeing a full tutorial and how I make these balloon bouquet, then you can go ahead and check out my other videos. They're going to be popping up right after this one in the iCard above and also in the description box below. All right. So that's just that, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The customer loves it, and that's just it. That's a quick tutorial. So this video is not even 20 minutes or 30 minutes long like the others. Now, if you want to take your balloon bouquet up a notch, like you could get a nice velvet bow. Like I had those. My last video I posted was on those pink velvet bow from my sister's. I did that bow for her. You could put it right at the end of yours and take it up a notch. So I know a lot of people's gonna suggest, oh, you could put this there, you could put that there. But remember, I'm not making these for videos. I'm making these to sell, so they're made according to people's budget, okay? These are made according to the buyer's budget. Because over here at Shayna's Home DIY&Crafts, we don't discriminate. We listen, we don't judge, and we make anything work. We listen, we put money on stuff, but if you have $5, Shayna's Home DIY&Craft could come up. It's gonna come up with something for $5, okay? All right? And it goes and it goes. I don't turn anybody down. You know, it may not gonna be nice and big and look like this, but what is your budget? We'll work with your budget over here. That's what we do. All right. So remember, like I said, I'm new to this too. Believe it or not, I'm really new to this. I just started this for the Valentine's this year to make these, and people were loving them. And not only that, people in person was loving these. People on YouTube was actually loving it. These balloon videos that I post, go check them out, guys. They were like literally, YouTube was pushing those out. And that's the thing. I don't make videos just for YouTube. I make things when I have to sell. And I think maybe that's what I should start doing so I could keep going. But anyway, and that's why you see there's a bunch of mixture, because here I do different crafting, a lot of home DIY project. I also have a full-time job as a respiratory therapist. So go figure. So that's what I do. So if you ever have any question, guys, just go ahead and check out my other videos and how I blow up these balloons and all those stuff. Just check out some other videos in my Valentine's playlist. I'm gonna also list that after this video so you can check that out, so you could see, because I did like a few of these balloon stuff. All right, so with all that being said, I know I talk a lot. If you make it this far throughout the video, I do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Couldn't have done it without you guys. And if it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Shayna. I do a lot of home DIY projects, different types of crafting. If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Turn your notification bell on. Therefore, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so enough of me talking. Go ahead and follow me over on my social media page, guys. Go follow me over on TikTok, okay? Just open a TikTok shop. So follow me over there in case you're interested in purchasing any of my craft stuff. Go on over there and follow me, and then you can purchase it from there, okay? So talk a lot. This is all the balloon. I'm going to be sharing another clip of another balloon for someone else. So just keep watching, and customer love it. That's all that matters. Happy customer, happy me. Just remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed. And bye for now.